Pro contractors asked for a Recipro Saw with superior power and performance, but with less vibration. Makita answered with the JR3070 CT Recipro Saw with AVT. The JR3070 CT delivers power, performance, efficiency, and durability. The powerful 15-amp motor is engineered with electronic speed control to maintain constant speed under load. It's ideal for cutting wood, metal, drywall, and more. The JR3070 CT has Makita's exclusive anti-vibration technology, an internal counterbalance system that reduces vibration. The variable speed control dial has 6 settings with orbital action for 45% faster cutting. And the built-in clutch disengages the gears if the blade binds for longer tool life. The JR3070 CT is engineered for a range of cutting applications.